This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I just walked into Unit 714, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, with a split-bedroom layout. Coat closet is off to the right as you enter, and then you head into the guest bedroom, which has borrowed light from a transom opening, and there's a wide closet. You're looking at plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. Directly opposite the second bedroom is the guest bath. There's a floating vanity, deep soaking tub with shelving in the tub surround for your shampoo and soap. You have a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Heading further into the unit, looking at a galley-style kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner electric range. There's a wall-mounted microwave, dishwasher. You have 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, and you have a designer gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. A large living dining area here with a wide wall of windows. The plank flooring and the soaring ceilings up above 13 feet, I'm guessing, really make the space feel very expansive. Living area is a nice nook which could accommodate a small dining table or a home office. Well, you have plenty of space here for a large dining table. Master bedroom. Another wall of wide windows. You have roller blinds. Closet, of course, and then headed into the master bath. Master bath finishes are identical to what you saw in the guest bath. .820 South Michigan is all new, and it has a lot of appeal to budget-conscious renter who wants a great location where walk to everything has real meaning. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.